Welcome to Tasty Explorations. I'm Angie from the Milton Public Library, and it is August already. Wow, summer has gone so fast. This month's book is kind of exciting. It is called Food Truck Road Trip, a cookbook, and it's by Kim Pham and Philip Shen, with help from Terry Phillips. And this is it's a fun little book. I love picking fun cookbooks that are, just different. It was published by Page Street Publishing Company. And what's fun about it is it's exactly what it says. It's a food truck cookbook. So the authors traveled, different corners of the United States and met with these different food truck owners and took pictures and got biographies about them, and then talked about their different recipes and included some of their best in this book for you. So, like for example, here's a pulled pork taco from Hill Country Barbecue in California. So I just like that it's kind of biography and cookbook put together, and the photos are nice. The recipe I tried last night was the Rockin' Hero Burger from this food truck called Mixed Up Food Truck in Atlanta, Georgia. And it was a lamb burger, so ground lamb with garlic and mint and rosemary in it. And then you make the tzatziki sauce with the fresh cucumbers and Greek yogurt, and that was so good. It was kind of nice outside, so we grilled the burgers and then put that creamy, cool sauce on top, and it was kind of like eating a gyro, but different. But I liked it. It was very refreshing. I would say try it again. A different take on the classic hamburger. So, and what's great about having this book this month is, of course, we have our food truck rally coming up at the end of August. So if you want to support the library, don't miss that. Check out a copy of the book. We'll get you started, and you can be inspired for your own food trucks, or just enjoy the fun, funky flavors of this book. And then we'll see you at the rally. So I hope everyone has had a fantastic summer. I hope you are cooking and enjoying the fresh foods and flavors of summer. And if you have any questions, stop on by. Otherwise, keep exploring, keep enjoying life and the good food it has to offer. And I hope you all are well. Bye.